In an effort to ensure that the nationwide lockdown does not compromise with health and sanitation facilities, special menstrual hygiene kits are being distributed to the economically disadvantaged and migrant women in Karnataka. The She Warriors and senior women officers reporting from Bangalore City Police's Corona Control Room have stepped in to help women in distress and provide them comfort by literally becoming their bad women.
The Corona Control Room's task force have a special task to perform, and these She Warriors led by Malavika Avinash are reaching out to women for a different purpose. Her team comprising of young women professionals are distributing hygiene kits made for needy women. Distribution of the hygiene kits is an all-women's affair with private talks, discussions and giggles when it comes to menstrual health. Malvika even discusses the general hygiene issues with women over the mic. She also explains to them about the safe methods of disposal of the sanitary pads. The hygiene kits given to the women contain sanitary pads, sanitizers, soap and inner wear.
Initially, when we started work a few weeks ago, it was more related to hunger, to ensure that nobody goes hungry. Now, subsequently, I realized that half the population of the migrant workers or the daily wagers, the construction workers, are women and children. Right? There's a large population of children. Here, there are 250 members, of which 100 are women and about 40 are children. So, it's important that we concentrate on women and children's health. So, what we thought is that we should work on their nutrition. We should work on their sanitary hygiene.
So far, over 10,000 pads have been distributed since the beginning of the lockdown. Corona Control Room has even helped about 10 women safely deliver their babies and reached out to them to maintain good health.
We are doing it in two ways. So one is we give information, a little bit of knowledge in terms of how they can use whatever product they're using, because we also don't want to push one particular product. If they're using cloths, then how best they can use. If they're using sanitary pads, how best they can use. And then if they're using sanitary pads, we're giving them sanitary pads, because cloth is something they still have at this point in time. Right? So that is in terms of menstrual hygiene, and we're also helping them with how many of our hygiene kits we can, apart from the sanitary napkins, in terms of sanitizers or soaps and masks, etc.
She Warriors ensure that the women's menstrual health is maintained well even during the lockdown. Their job does not end with distribution of just sanitary pads, but they also give them packets like this which contains ragi malt. Now ragi malt is very essential because it is during this crucial period that the women need ragi malt, because this gives them calcium and enough iron. So these ragi malt packets are also being distributed to menstruating women and also to pregnant and lactating mothers here in these camps.
These She Warriors in Bangalore are led by senior women officers DCPs Rohini Sepat and Nisha James, who began the distribution of sanitary pads to the migrant women by identifying needy women in each police station's limits. Both the officers chalked out a strategy and found out that there are at least 30,000 migrant women in the city. The women's police stations in Bangalore go around and distribute a set of sanitary pads with conditions applied, which is practicing social distancing and compulsorily wearing of masks. We know women need this help and they cannot afford to go out and get pads as the shops are far away and they have no money. For women like Gayatri and Jyoti, migrant laborers from North Karnataka, She Warriors is a boon. Gayatri is shy to discuss the menstrual health issues with anyone, but she says that the She Warriors interact and make them comfortable. It helped us a lot in this crisis and all young girls are benefited too. Similar efforts are being carried out by DCs along with Red Cross Society in other districts in the state. The lockdown has definitely made several women rethink and rework on menstrual hygiene issues, and the Corona She Warriors are providing relentless hygienic support to them in the crisis. Aisha Khanam's report, DD News, Bangalore.